There are many tower moments occurring in their life. That's what they wanted for you. Part of their tower moment is to see you being victorious, reaching some type of milestone, being successful in life, in your career, people celebrating you. This was not part of the plan. They wanted you to fail. They thought that they stopped you. They celebrated too soon. Very focused and obsessed with you and your life. They did not envision that you would overcome all hurdles that they may have planned in the background. You see, because of their fixation on you in your life, they have wasted their own time. They are stagnant, they are stuck. They are in an energy of feeling as though they lack direction in regards to where to go. They are lacking love in their life, self-love, and they are attracting individuals who are traumatizing them. But they are gaslighting themselves into believing that it's better to be in a connection than to be single. So they will settle with individuals who tell them or show them in action that they do not want a commitment with them. They do not want to be married to them. And they may drain them energetically or financially. This is the standard that they will manifest. This is what they wanted for you. They were too busy spying on you, waiting to see if all their plots and plans and subtle schemes were working. You see, these individuals weren't overt, they were covert. So even if you told other people what they were doing, it wouldn't make sense to other people because they were spiritually bullying you. They were spiritually attacking you. They wanted you to be isolated. They wanted you to be abandoned, alone, lack of support, no one to reach out to. And guess what? It's happening to them now. Even if they are around others, they feel alone. And people are starting to isolate this individual because their energy is repelling others. Their energy of desperation. All those manipulations in regards to giving to others, whether that was money, whether that was food, whether that was whatever it was, it is no more. People are waking up. People are cutting this person off and they are clinging on to other people's energy and people want no parts. You see, this individual done the most. They were using glamour magic to appear one way, to manipulate others, to manipulate you. They wanted to keep you stuck in a web of confusion. They managed to convince others that they were one way. And people are finally starting to see the truth that this is a master manipulator. This person is very dangerous. If people didn't realize that before, people are realizing that now. People may not say it in words that this person is manipulative or that they were using spell work. And I feel that they were using spell work in regards to trying to project an image onto others as to how they were to gain advantage. It's not like, because some of you may be thinking, oh, I do acting. Some of you may be actors, or some of you, could do some type of performing arts whereby you have to get into character. This is not like that. This is a very dangerous person. This is a person that will hone in on someone's insecurities and manipulate that person so that they can keep them trapped and bounded and stuck. All with a smiley face. This is a person that would pretend that they're helping you when in fact they're keeping you stagnated. And they will grow to be extremely vengeful when you show levels of independence. Maybe this individual was doing it to you. And because of that, they went against spirit. They went against your spirit guides for trying to chain you and bind you energetically from your growth, from your evolution. They saw it in with you or maybe another person. And they took it upon themselves to try and spiritually entrap others to gain. It was all about being selfish. For others of you, this individual wanted you to be alone. They did not want you to have any support. And for some of you, they were very instrumental in making sure that you were alone. Knowingly, for some of you, that you needed help, whether that was emotional help, whether that was help in regards to, helping you move home or giving some type of support, knowing that you didn't have much in regards to support from family or friends. And they made sure that they were around you. They made sure that they kept in communication with you. Just to hear about the negativity that was going on in your life.